So today we're gonna make Zeppoles. So first you're gonna want to take out your stand mixer and add 2 eggs. Next you're gonna take out your ricotta and then fill up a cup and add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. So now take out your whisk attachment and blend. Now how about some history on the Zeppole? Zeppoles are typically an Italian cuisine, especially that of Rome, Naples, and Lacey. They originated in ancient Rome when people started frying dough and putting sugar and cinnamon on top of it. However, the Zeppole is that around today was created in the 18th century. These Zeppoles either have sugar, cinnamon, or chocolate with them. They're also served in Sicily on the island of Malta and in Italian communities in Canada and the United States for St. Joseph's Day, which is basically Father's Day in Italy. So now that you have your wet ingredients, now you need to take out your dry ingredients. So let's start with flour. We're gonna add 3/4 of a cup and 1 tablespoon of flour. And now for a baking powder, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and just a pinch of salt. And now 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix till homogeneous. Now set that aside and take out your fryer of choice. You can either use a designated fryer or just a cast iron. And now fill up with oil and wait till it gets hot. And for this step, you can either use spoons or an ice cream scoop. You'll know when your oil's ready is whenever you put dough in it and it automatically flows to the top and starts bubbling. So now just add all of your dough. I recommend doing this step in batches of 4 Zeppoles each. Make sure while you're cooking them to flip them occasionally, and they're pretty light and airy, so this step should be easy. Take out your biggest plate, and once they're done, take them out and shake them to get the excess oil off, and put them on the plate. And now repeat this process 3 to 4 more times. Once you have completed all your batches, you can optionally dust them with powdered sugar.